Alright, welcome back to BTCinQQQ. Today we're going to talk about negative funding rate and how funding rate can actually be very helpful in terms of the short squeeze. So this is HIVE. We're going to use that as an example today because this was on the buy alerts. So this is the buy alert entry right before the fourth attempt breakout, which happened. And here's a retest. And now we're at a new zone, right? So then we're going to use HIVE example. And we're going to talk about how this negative 0.19994% could essentially help us with big gains. So at the time, the alerts was to get in on HIVE because it was actually negative 1.76%. Extremely high funding rate, right? So this means that the short sellers are paying a huge premium to the long holders because the funding rate was negative 1.76%. So it had a very expensive rate to short the coin just because it went up so much already, right? So if you're bullish on HIVE, I suggested to just long it with 1x leverage and collect the funding. Because if you hold the coin in spot, you're not going to collect any funding. So with the $100,000 with the 1x leverage, that will allow you to collect $1,760 in premium alone in a little over 2 hours. HIVE is currently trading at 58 cents. You can see, and this was 3 hours ago. And then shortly after this alert, it broke out. Right, so this is the countdown for the funding. This is the rate. So we'll show you the calculations of all that, but HIVE is still trading at this new range on the breakouts. So if you are holding, you're going to be collecting funding again. But obviously this percentage is not as high as others, but feel free to just hold on to that long and collect the funding unless you see an opportunity for something else that makes you want to take profit on this, right? So even though if you're not collecting funding, you're still up about 5% from 58. So we'll do all the calculations and show you what that looks like. So with a capital of $100,000, 1x leverage, you get in at about 58 cents and change at the alert price. You're getting that much coins, and then when price goes up, let's just say it went up to 60 cents. That's a 3% move. Your 100,000 is now worth $103,000, right? With a negative funding rate of 1.676%, the payout is 1,800 because it's calculated by the mark price, right? The funding rate of the mark price, not your entry price, right? So then the alert was essentially for if it stayed at this level, you would be getting this much in premium, but the funding would be the mark price of the coin. So I think on the 4th hour, it was like that. And then you would have got this payment twice, because later on, the funding rate was, the second 4th hour was negative 1.68%. So you would have got these two payouts. So we'll do the sum of those just from funding alone. So that's a 3%, more than 3% just from funding. And if you do decide to sell the coin now, which is the price right now, 61.4, okay, 61.4, oops, sorry, it's already decimal. So that will essentially be another $5,000 in profit. So a very good move with just a 1x leverage on a coin that has great funding, right? So that's right here. Add these two together. That would have been your profit for just holding the coin, right? So then these two together. Pretty good, right? But that's 1x leverage with safe from liquidation, no leverage. But let's calculate now what it looks like with leverage. Okay, so let's just show you the power of perpetual futures. Let's say you got 10x leverage, still safe from liquidation since alert, since the structure was a high pole with range that had potential to break out. Short squeeze potential just because of the funding rate, right? So then that was the play, as there's higher lows, higher low. So essentially, 4th attempt breakout. So this is the alert. And then let's just say you went in on the 10x. Now, if you did get in the payouts, look at the funding rate payouts here now. Now that's a little bit crazy, right? So let's just say the mark price at the time of each time we'll be generous and just round it down to 60 cents. Look at the payout. 35,000 for the funding rate payout alone with your original capital of just 100,000, because you're getting paid twice from that funding. And that's not to mention the $30,000 profit because you went on 10x leverage, right? So then let's just say it's 35,000 from funding. We'll round it down. And then now the coin is trading at 613. We just say 61. Okay, 612. We just say 612. Decide to sell now because the funding rate is not good anymore. That's another $50,000, $51,000. Boom. And that is your profit play. That is your play right here. Oh, what's going on? Sum of these two. $86,000 with $100,000. $100,000 to profit $86,000 from funding and selling the coin with 10x leverage on a safe entry. That's crazy. That's the power of perpetual futures, and that's the power of funding. So if you're in and you would like to still collect funding, which is still high, it's not crazy high, feel free to do so. But we'll just show you what that's looking like as well, right? 1329. So now it's 1329. If you have a 1x leverage, it's not as good anymore, right? So 1329, you can see not very appealing anymore to hold the coin on 1x leverage, right? But with 10x leverage, maybe. Let's take a look. Still not appealing anymore, right? So take advantage of the crazy funding rate, right? When there's a crazy funding rate, take advantage of that. You can see now because the funding rate is not crazy anymore, there's not a lot of incentive to hold on to it. So if you did get in here, or here, it's time to take profit. All right, hope that helps. That's just an example of funding rate. And then congratulations to anybody that get in on the pump. 50x leverage, if you did get in, that's a 200%. I would believe that if you're up 200%, you're taking profit even with $1,000 or $2,000, right? So you're taking profit. You're like, forget the funding rate. I'm taking profit. I'm up 200% in 1 hour. All right, so that's the play. Feel free to subscribe, and then we'll give out more alerts. And then if you'd like to trade futures, link is in the below for Bitunix. This is a very good platform with a nice take profit mechanisms and stop loss mechanism. Link is in the below. Feel free to sign up. You'll get a USD tether bonus, and then a deposit of 50,000 will give you a $1,000 bonus as well. All right, hopefully that helps. Let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. All right, stay balanced, collect yourself, trade well, and have a good day. Cheers.